Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to sign out and turn off Sync on Google Chrome. This is especially useful if you want to protect your privacy, stop data from syncing across devices, or simply switch accounts. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen so you can access the settings easily. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on those three dots to open the menu. Once the menu appears, scroll down slightly and select Settings. This will take you to your Chrome settings page where you can manage your account and sync options. Now, inside the settings, find and tap on Sync. This section controls how your data, like bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history, is shared across your devices. Once you're in the Sync settings, you'll see options related to your Google account. Here, look for the option that says Sign Out and Turn Off Sync. Tap on it. Chrome will now ask you to confirm your decision. This is just to make sure you really want to stop syncing your data and sign out of your account. Go ahead and confirm.